Hello brothers, sisters, good afternoon wherever you're watching this amazing video from. Have you been diagnosed with hormonal imbalance where your testosterone levels are very low as compared to the other hormones in your body? Then this video is a must watch, because in this video I'm going to reveal how you can naturally increase your testosterone levels. Keep watching this amazing video. This is Good Health, Good Life, a channel where I am promoting healthy living by sharing with you the health benefits of the African herbs and also sharing with you healthy living tips. If it interests you to be part of this amazing family, kindly subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified to watch. Like the video and also share with your family and friends. Testosterone is a sex hormone which is found in both males and females, but it is of a higher quantity or levels in males as compared to females. Now, here are some functions of testosterone in males. It plays a crucial role, one, in the development of reproductive tissues and characteristics such as the development of facial and pubic hairs and also deeper voice. It also helps to increase libido, and it also helps in increasing muscle growth. So those are some of the functions of the testosterone in males, and in females it controls their reproductive health. Now the question is, how can you increase your testosterone levels the natural way? It is very simple. The only way you can increase your testosterone level is to eat onions. Yes, you heard me right. Just eat onions. I'll break it down for you. Keep watching the video. Now, anytime you eat raw onions, quercetin, which is a flavonoid or a plant compound, is released into your body. Now, what quercetin does is it triggers luteinizing hormone, which then controls and also increases the production of testosterone in males. So it is advisable for males to eat at least 1 bulb of onions on daily basis. Raw organic onions. You must eat at least 1 bulb a day. So when you are looking for a natural way to increase or boost your testosterone levels as a man, then make eating raw organic onion a habit. It's very important. It works massively in increasing your testosterone levels. Now, very quickly, I want to share with you some of the health benefits of eating raw organic onions. Keep watching the video. Number 1 is they act as diuretic, thereby preventing water retention within your body. They have potent anti-inflammatory properties. They have a high antioxidant effect on your body anytime you eat them. They are also good when it comes to normalizing blood pressure. They also have properties that help with insulin resistance. They have anti-cancer properties. Then also they may help reduce the risk of cataracts, and they may also help reduce the risk of allergies. So these are some few health benefits of eating raw organic onions. If you are the type who doesn't like eating raw organic onions, I think this video should encourage you to eat more raw organic onions. It's really worth it. So that is it. If you want to increase your testosterone levels, eat raw organic onions. And the best way to do this is to eat the onions raw. All you need to do is slice the onion into a salt solution, leave it there for at least 5 minutes, strain, and start eating it. If you can't eat it this way, then you can make powder out of it and use it in the preparation of stew or soup. You can also boil it and drink the water, but make sure you don't overboil it. So that is it about eating raw organic onions. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. Don't forget to like this video. Also comment where you are watching this video from. It's very important. Share to all your family and friends. Until I see you in the next one, always make sure you eat organic fruits and vegetables, exercise on daily basis, and visit the hospital on a regular basis to know your health status. Until I see you in the next one, peace.